does the term active employment have to do with my ERISA disability claim? Now, many disability policies or plans require that you be enrolled in the policy or plan and that you be an active employee at the time you have become disabled. If you're not an active employee, then regardless of how disabled you might be, you simply are not entitled to your benefits. And it really doesn't matter. You should get out your disability policy or plan to see what the answer here is. But generally, the term active employment is defined to mean generally several things. The first thing is that it is an hourly component. In other words, you're generally required to work a certain number of hours, and generally it's at least 30 hours per week. The other component to the active employment definition is going to be the nature of the duties that you're doing. So what's the situation if you're on an unpaid leave or you're furloughed? That can be problematic. So you got to look at your policy, your plan, to see how working reduced hours or being on unpaid leave or being furloughed can impact that definition of active employment. You can see it gets really, really messy here. And the problem can't be fixed once you stop work or you're terminated. So I really think that you should be consulting with an experienced ERISA disability lawyer. Now, there can be some exceptions, approved leaves or temporary leaves of absence, but once again, it's going to depend on the terms in your particular policy or your plan. So what should you do before you stop work or reduce your hours or even suspect that you're going to be terminated? Get a copy of your policy or plan. And you should be consulting with an experienced ERISA disability attorney such as myself. I'm going to want to see the policy or the plan. I'm going to want to see your medical records because I'm going to be counseling you so that you're not making a fatal mistake that can destroy your ERISA disability claim out of the gate. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. Don't make a mistake that can destroy your claim.